Alright guys, I wanted to make a video similar to the one I already made about suppressors. So we have a 338 suppressor, which you can shoot a ton of rounds through. We have a 30 cal OSS, and then we have a Q Trash Panda. So, this is also 30 cal, by the way. So I just wanted to see if there's a sound difference in the signature between, you know, let's see here. I just got done shooting this. This one's actually a 5.56, so we'll do the 5.56 on an AR-15, and then just for the heck of it, we got the 230 cals and then the 338. So before we put on the suppressors, we'll just take a couple rounds with no suppressor. And also 338 is almost, hold on one sec. So what I was saying before was as far as the size of a 338, 9mm, the whole bullet can drop all the way through the suppressor. Also, same thing with this is an actual 9mm suppressor. And this one has a little baffle strike. I don't know if you can tell. I have to send it in, but there's not a whole lot of clearance there. 338, it's about the same, maybe a little bit smaller. But like I said, I'm not gonna shoot it, even though it takes the same threads as the pistol, but it's not on the list. So anyways, let's take a couple shots unsuppressed. All right, so here's my St. Victor 5.56. I'm gonna take 4 shots, just regular 5.56 ammo, unsuppressed, so we have something to compare it to since I don't have a sound meter or whatever. And then, I have 4 regular rounds and then 2 subsonics. Not sure it'll make a difference not being suppressed. I mean, I know it won't, but I put them in there anyways, so. These last 2 are subsonic. Oh, yeah, they won't cycle. Okay, you can tell a difference. All right, so now we'll do the 5.56 suppressor. Okay, so this is just regular 5.56. It's an OSS. I can't remember what the actual name is, but it's an OSS. It's 5.56. All right, and then I'll do some subsonic. We already know it's not going to cycle, but all right, so a couple rounds of subsonic. All right, so here's the Q Trash Panda. Again, it's a 30 cal. It's obviously lighter. This one's titanium. It feels really good. All right, let me get some, I have a couple subsonics here. Wow, that is like quieter than a pellet gun. All right, so now we'll do this is the 30 cal OSS 7.62. So obviously it's meant for 308s, AK-47, stuff like that.
I take my gun and I go pew, 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 pew.
Okay. So this is Rex Silentium. This is a pretty cool suppressor. You can make it any length you want. Each one of these breaks apart. And this one is it's the largest bore. It's the largest bore, so in theory it should be the loudest, right? All right, now we'll do subsonic 5.56. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, so same thing as before. I wouldn't buy a 5.56 suppressor. I would just buy even something like this, 338. You could shoot a ton of rounds through this. I'm pretty happy with this one. This is a Rex Silentium MG10 in 338. But yeah, if you go to their website, like I said, there's a ton of rounds on. It's a huge list that you can shoot through. Basically, for like rifle rounds, like 22 all the way up to 338. Anyways, thanks for watching. You can drop it straight through 338. Of course, it's not going to do while the video's going.